Hi, my name is Xander, and this is my Lab 9 submission. My lab is Monday, 6:30 to 7:15 with Rashad. Okay, this is my waveform simulator that I have set up, and it will input 1 into register 1, then read 1, input 2 into register 2, and then read 2, and then input 3 into register 3, and then in this last one, it will read 3. So I'm going to go ahead and run this timing simulation. Then this is the output, and I will post this in my submission for Lab 9. Okay, just uploaded my Lab 9 Part 1 sketch to the board. And here's my board down here. So this button here, key 0, is for the register clock. Key 1 resets, and then switch 9 is input 1, switch 8 is input 0, switch 7 is output 1, and switch 6 is output 0. Then switch 1 to switch 5 are for my binary inputs. So first thing I'm going to do is set register 1 equal to 1. So that's 1. Now I'm going to input 2 into register 2. Set that. Then I'm going to input 3 into register 3 and then set that. Now I'm displaying register 1, so I'll switch to register 2, and that's displaying 2, and then I'll switch to register 3, and that's displaying 3. Then just showing that my reset works. And then I'll just quickly do some different inputs for register 1 while I'm displaying it, and then I'll reset again. Okay, this is part 2 of my lab. I'm gonna run the waveform simulator where I'm inputting all 1s, and first thing I'm gonna do is just load it with the first input, then I'm gonna shift left for the next 4, I'm gonna shift right for the next 4, and then for the last one, no change. And this is what it looks like, and I'll be submitting this in my lab report. Okay, just uploaded my parallel in, parallel out shift register 8-bit to my board. So here's my board. For inputs, S1 is switch 9, S0 is switch 8, in 7 is switch 7, all the way back down to in 0 is for switch 0. My clock is this key 0, and then my clear is key 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is switch all 8 input bits to 1, and then S1 and S0 are both set to 0, and then I'm going to load them on. So now all my LEDs are lit up because all the bits are on. Now I'm going to switch S1 or S0 to on, which is going to shift the bits left, and I'm going to shift them left 4 times. Now I'm going to switch S0 off and switch S1 on, which is going to shift the bits right, and I'm going to shift it right 4 times. Now I'm going to switch S1 and S0 both to on, which is going to cause no change when I hit the clock button, and then I'm going to reset everything back to 0.